Hello my sexy beauty lovers, my name is Elise Lindley and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about shaping your brows. You all know how much I love my floofy brows. I'll be teaching you how to get your brows to be the biggest, boldest, and most beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, but someone at Sephora is definitely, hands down, gonna murder me for telling you this inexpensive beauty secret. Hold your credit cards because this beauty secret is gonna blow your mind, not your wallet. We're gonna take the MAC pencil and fling, and so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go from the middle of the nostril, look straight on at your mirror, middle of the nostril, through the iris, and you're gonna go like this. And that is where your arch is gonna be. Time to map the end of our brow. So you're gonna go from the edge of the nostril, right beside your eye, and you're just gonna line it up with your brow. And then, put your little dot there, and that's where it'll end. Go back in with your brow pencil, and you're just gonna kind of go back and forth motion and fill this part in. Now just kind of go in to that tail. We want a fabulous brow tail. To map the middle of your brow, take your pencil again, line it up in the middle of your nostril, and just go straight up. And you're just kind of going to make a dot right there. Go in, and you're going to make hair-like strokes upwards, just like your natural brow hairs would grow. You can go in, just fill that and smooth it out. I like to also shape the top so it looks fuller. You can leave your brows like this, but you all know how much I love a fluffy eyebrow, so we're gonna go in with the MAC Cosmetics Shape and Shade. You're gonna go in with the felt tip side of the shaper, and we're just gonna do light little strokes up. Now I can't talk when I do this, so it's silent time. We're now gonna go in and do something the beauty lovers call soap brows. The reason I choose to use soap is because I find with the brow gels that I've previously tried, it doesn't make my hairs stick straight up as well as I want them to. With this soap, it has like a more of a gritty texture to it, which makes it so they go bing. The soap I'll be using is the Pears translucent soap. This stuff is awesome because it's not going to go into a lather, which I do not want. I want it to still be gritty. Here is my little soap dish. This is my old Anastasia brow styler. As you can see, it doesn't have anything on the one end, but what I've done is I've bent this at almost a 45-degree angle.
No.
45-degree angle, I'm like, that's not right. To make that soap malleable, I'm going to spray it with MAC Fix Plus. Phew, phew, aha, it's dripping. Take your soap and your new styler that you bent, whoop, whoop, and we're gonna rub it in. Make sure you load it up pretty nicely. Take your styler and brush those brows up. Just hold it. Brush, hold it a bit. Rotate it, get more of that product, and you can see that my brow hairs are like, hey everyone. Sometimes I even go in and just press them down to make them a little more flat on the skin. And there you have it, big, bold, beautiful brows on a budget. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you loved that little mini tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you like this video. Also, that bell icon, click on it so you get a little ding ding every time I post something new.